GenBy is a powerful tool that helps you automatically generate descriptions and keywords for multiple images using AI. Step 1. Log into the GenBy program after you've downloaded and subscribed to the service. You can find the link in the description below. Step 2. Go to the Settings menu and click on OpenAI API Key. Here you'll need to create an API key with OpenAI. Log in using your Google account, then generate your API key and copy it. Next, go back to GenBy, paste the API key into the required field, and top up your OpenAI balance to activate the AI service. Once that's done, return to GenBy and click Save Settings to complete the setup. Step 3. Go to the Title and Keyword Generator menu. Click Open and select the folder containing the images you want to generate titles, descriptions, and keywords for. These will be embedded directly into each image's metadata. Next, configure the following settings. Set the desired length for the title and description. Choose which OpenAI model to use for generating the title. Select the model to use for generating keywords based on the title. Decide how many keywords you want. Once everything is set, click Start. GenBy will begin embedding the title, description, and keywords into your image metadata. You'll see a progress indicator showing how many images have been processed. To verify the results, you can use a tool like microstock or Studio to check the embedded metadata and ensure everything is accurate.